là où tu veux que tu vas gagner. Ça va? Yep. Keep it there. Right there.
Bit slower, bit slower.
Yes, sir.
Well done, Mr. Mahova.
We are getting there. We are going so far so good.
Well done, Jacobus.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Beautiful.
See, the first ones are looking a bit worse than those.
They're getting better as we go, yeah.
Look at Mr. Jacob, he's an expert already. What are you seeing inside there? Just, you see the level nicely.
Yes, sir. Yes, I can see clearly now.
You must just have that guy checked because you don't want to empty it, right? You want
Yes.
like quarter less. Okay.
What it?
You can actually probably count. I'm serious. Yeah. So 500 kilos. Okay. So you want.
Kijk, als hij valt nu.
No, sorry.
Beautiful.
Inside the furnace.